Hey everybody! So as you can tell, this painting is the pink mallet smash. It looked like 3 big pink flowers, and then there was, which was a paint over, and you could still see the painting underneath. If you look on the bottom left, you can see a little bit of blue. So that wouldn't work. So I painted back over it with gesso. And now, just for kicks, I'm going to do a flip and drag. I'm using the same colors I just used in the reverse mallet smash because I have them out. And I think sometimes it's cool to see the same colors with different techniques. And I am, again, not using silicone. For the main reason that the last few paintings that I've used silicone, the silicone has just irritated me. And even though I use like one minuscule drop, I'll get like a puddle of oil. So, due to that, I'm not going to use it. This is my palette from the reverse mallet smash that I just did. I'm gonna let that dry and then probably just peel it right off. So this is Dutch Boy paint with Floetrol and water. So this will be the 3rd painting on this canvas, I think. So. But this one, it should be okay because I'm doing a more all over color. I'm just tilting the weight all over. It is slow today. Use my fingers to kind of paint. Oh no, did you just see that? Oh my God. A bug. It just died on contact with paint. Apparently getting stuck in paint will kill a bug. Like immediately. Poor little bug didn't know I hit him. Speaking of bugs, watching my dog chase flies is my new hobby. She is very entertaining. Alright. So I've again got the Artist, whoa, crud. I did not want that much. Artist Loft Phthalo Green, Artist Loft Metallic Blue. This is going to be one really green painting. Grumbacher Lemon Yellow. And Liquitex Basic Prism Violet. I already think this might not be what I want. I'm going to pour some white on top to kind of dilute it. Look at all those cells that happen even without silicone. You know, this kind of looks like my Never give up pour. Can't remember what video number that is. But the colors kind of remind me of that. So I'm letting it kind of move. See what it wants to do, and I don't think it really wants to do much, so I will tilt. I love that little yellow. The little yellow says, "I'm here. Don't forget about me." Pretty cool. These little cells keep looking to me like whale eyes. I've been watching a lot of Blue Planet lately, which is so fascinating. Oh my gosh, last night I was Googling, oh my god, now I can't, eagles, Remy eagle, no, it started with an H, crud. Giant eagles that were so mean, and this, well, they're not mean, I mean, they're doing what animals do. But it totally got its butt kicked by a sloth, which was hilarious because you know how sloths are slothy. And so the sloth is laying in the tree and it slowly puts out its claw. It was, oh my God. I'm so easily entertained. But I suppose if you're going to watch TV, I mean, it is educational. But yeah, it was hilarious. This poor sloth totally kicked this mean eagle's butt. Like, it was like in slow-mo. I couldn't believe that the eagle, like, let him do it. He probably didn't know he was on camera, because then, you know, he would have, or she. I guess I don't know if it was a boy or a girl. The girls are bigger. Remy. I said Remy, didn't I? But then I thought maybe it started with an H or an M. I don't know. It's probably still in my phone search. So you can see I got too much paint going right here. And I am ever so carefully trying to move it because it is caught. But this is pretty patterned, so I don't want to put my finger in it and screw it all up, which is why I'm just going really slow and talking about eagles and sloths. I am paint pouring like a sloth. They totally have the life. Ooh, speaking of sloth, I finally, you know, my back pain, we bought a new bed this weekend. It's going to be delivered tomorrow. And it goes up and down. I'm so excited. And also, interestingly enough, I started seeing a chiropractor last week for the first time who specializes in, it's called, the acronym is art therapy. So it's active release therapy. So I just thought that was interesting that I am now doing art for my back. But I did one session last week, and I go tomorrow. Tomorrow she says we're going to work on breath. So I guess breathing, special way to breathe for the core and strengthening, which is good. I like that. I can be more proactive instead of just taking drugs and shots. So hopefully it works. I'm loving how this is looking. I mean, as I said, it is moving at a sloth's pace. I want to stop, but I need to, can't just leave that. I need to end it somehow. That doesn't look right. Yeah, I can't just leave that. All right, I'm going back to looking at it this way. Feel free to fast forward. Yeah, I am not really sure. Ow, I always do that. I get my legs stuck. Come on, I'm gonna do a hard tilt, so just hang on. Looks like a horse. I don't want a horse. Yeah, so I want it to all go to the top. So hang on, peeps. I will show you what I'm doing in a second. Okay. There we go. Much better. Okay. Nothing else is moving. That is so pretty. So there, the torching did bring out a bunch of cells, and it brought some of the darker color up. So that torching did change it a bit. I love those paint drips off the side. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.